set up with me for a Valentine's Day themed backdrop at the Rose Garden Tea Room in Arlington, Texas. So here I am just adding the balloons that I pre-blew onto my pipe and drape backdrop. You guys can't see the top, but once I move the camera, you'll be able to see the top of the setup to where I'm adding the different balloons. It is so convenient when you have your balloons already blown up when you get to setups because it just makes it go by so much easier. I do always bring my blower though in case I need to add any extra balloons like I did for this setup, but again, always make sure you have them blown up ahead of time. And so here I am just finishing the final touches at the top. And then I added these super cute mini hearts that I got from Amazon, and here is the final outcome. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day!